guys, so today I have the July Witch Casket box to show you. Again, this is quite late, so I do apologise. I feel like I'm just kind of a little bit over unboxing Witch Casket, honestly. The videos never do very well anymore, no one really wants to watch them, and I've just had it for so long that I'm kind of a little bit bored of it. So you'll have to let me know if you do really want me to keep getting this and you do enjoy those videos, or if you kind of feel like you're not that bothered about watching them, then also let me know as well. But yeah, if you haven't seen me unbox this before, it is a UK box and it's £29 a month. They do ship it worldwide. I'll put all of the prices down below that I do know. And this month the theme is protection. So this is a little booklet that comes on the top. It tells you all about the items inside, and it also shows you what the kind of colour scheme is going to be. So this one is very like hippie vibes, I would say, like mushrooms and flowers and like that 60s kind of colour scheme. So that is what we're going with this month. And the first thing right on the top is our little art print. So that is what that one looks like. It's kind of like a little flower with mushrooms and a pentacle and stuff. Again, very like 60s colours. And if you don't want to use it as an art print, you can use it as a monthly manifestations. So it says, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? And what magical steps can I take to reach these goals? Okay, so the first thing we have right on the top is a protective bath pouch kit. It says it contains all you need to create a protective pouch for your bath. Can also be used in foot soaks. So let's open this and see what is in here. Okay, so we have our little instruction card, so I'll hold that up so you can read it in a second. We also have a little tea bag type of pouch, some marigold flowers, lime peel and black agate chips. So marigold flowers, lime peel and black agate. So that is the 4 things needed. And then, like I said, I will hold this up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. So that was our protective bath pouch kit. Then next we have a little box, and this says it's a witch ball kit. So it says, a traditional way to ward off evil spirits and negative energy and protect your home. Add the safety pin and marshmallow root to the ball with intent to protect. You can also include any other charms, amulets, small crystals or affirmations you desire. These are optional. Hang the ball in your window for protection. So we have a little glass ball. It's a bit dusty because it's got marshmallow root on it, but it's kind of like a very deep blue colour. It is just coming up black on camera, I think, but in person it's like a really dark blue. And then it has a little like ribbony top part as well. This light is just my ring light, by the way. It doesn't actually have a heart on it. So that is that. And then we have the safety pin and the marshmallow root herbs there as well. So that is our little witch ball kit that we have. Then next there is a big pouch. Looks like this. It's kind of like a purpley browny sort of colour, and it's got little leaves and a moon and a butterfly and stuff on there. And it also made a little tingly noise when I picked it up. I don't know if that was from this or from something else in the box. Let's have a see. So we have a magical protection tin, apparently. It says that this magical tin was designed with love to protect that which you hold dear. Place inside anything that symbolises the thing or person you wish to protect. State aloud or think with intent the following. Protection to all that's placed within, this is my decree. Blessed and safe is my command, as I will it, so mote it be. You can also add herbs, crystals or amulets for protection. So this is what the little tin looks like. It does say Witch Casket on the back as well. And I think that this is just an empty tin. It is. It also does say the little phrase inside though, which is really cute. So again, protection to all that's placed within. This is my decree. Blessed and safe is my command, as I will it, so mote it be. And then it's got pentacles all the way around. So yeah, that is pretty cute. I like that it has the phrase inside. And then it's got like a little embossed pentacle on the top. So that is our magical protection tin. And then next we have our gemstone for the month. So this one is rhodonite, I think that says. And that is what it looks like. So it is kind of like a light pink and black kind of stone. And for this one it says, the stone of compassion, rhodonite helps you to leave behind emotional baggage and to heal from past experiences. It offers protection from turmoil and is believed to help with emotional trauma or shock. A grounding and balancing stone, rhodonite promotes love and healing. Rhodonite is also thought to increase fertility. So that is our little gemstone that we got this month. Then next we have this, which says spellcrafting charm. Use this beautiful iron pentacle charm to add magic to your charm bags or spell jars, or wear it as a simple charm for personal protection. I kind of don't want to open this because it's in a cute little envelope, but I also want to see what it looks like. So I'll try and be... Oh, it opened quite easily, never mind. Oh, okay, so it is just a little... It's got a ring at the top, so you could put it on like a bracelet or a necklace or something. And then it is just a little iron pentacle, like it said. I think if they did like a little charm bracelet, so like say every month you got one little sterling silver charm or something, that would be so cute. I would definitely keep getting it then. I love things like that. But yeah, a little spellcrafting charm though, very cute. And then we do still have a few things left. So next we have a protection herb blend in a box. Suddenly lots of crows have just come to the house, it seems. A magical blend of black hawbark, nettle and rosemary. Black hawbark, never heard of that before. It says use this magical herb blend in spells and rituals for protection, used to dress or circle candles, add to charm bags, spell jars or in ritual baths. So I'm not going to open this properly because it is just a bag of herbs, but that is what is in that box. And then we have another little bag. This might have been the jingly thing before. So same colour little bag. This one's got a pentacle with leaves on it. And in here, oh okay, a weirder item for sure. We have some iron nails. These look just like coffin nails. So we have 3 of them. Like if you buy coffin nails, this is what they look like. I do have a jar of these already. So it says, carry iron nails with you for protection. To protect your home, either put an iron nail in the front door frame, over the fireplace, or hide it under your doormat. It can also be used in spell jars, charm bags, stuck into candles for candle magic, etc. I get what it's saying, and it's saying it in a magical sense, 100%, but in my head, like this is all I'm feeling right now for protection, you know? But they are really cool though, definitely more a weirder, darker item in my opinion, just because they look so much like coffin nails, but I think they are really cool though. So that is some little iron nails. Then another box. This one is an ornate wooden pentacle stand, loving made from acacia wood, known to promote spiritual clarity and protect from negative energy. It says, a simple traditional way to represent the elements on your altar. This pentacle has long been used by witches as a symbol of protection. The points of the pentacle representing 5 elements of earth, air, fire, water, spirit, the 5 things essential to sustain life. The circle surrounding them contains, protects and connects the 5 points, indicating that all elements are connected. Okay, so this is just a little wooden pentacle. So this is the stand, it says Witch Casket, and then that is the pentacle itself. So you will push that into there. I'm not going to do it properly so I can put it back in, but you push that into there and then that is what that looks like. You could definitely paint that if you wanted to a different colour or something, because it is kind of just like a bare wood, but it's cute though. I don't really have an altar, so that's not my kind of thing, but if you do, I'm sure that will be a nice item to get. And then the last thing we have before the scroll, so I'm assuming that this is instead of our incense sticks this time, we have a protection chalk that is imbued with rosemary oil, it says. So it says, use this protective chalk to create magical circles for threshold magic and for sigils. So let's have a see what it looks like. I'm assuming it's just white chalk. Yeah, it is. It is just a big block. If I can even get it out, it is just a big block of white chalk. I'm not going to get it out fully because I will get it everywhere. It does say Witch Casket on it though, which is kind of cool. And it does also really smell of rosemary as well. So I feel like that is a pretty unique, weird little item to get. Little protection chalk. And then we have our scroll, so I will hold this up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. This one is for no budget magical protection. We have bells, salt, pans, candles, mirrors, and pen and paper or chalk. And yeah, that was everything in the July Protection Witch Casket. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had our little mini art print, the protective bath pouch kit, the rhodonite gemstone, the little protection tin, the little bag of iron nails, the spell crafting charm, the protection herb blend, the protection chalk with rosemary in it, the scroll as always, the ornate wooden pentacle stand, and the witch ball kit. So all of these items in the July box. This one was definitely a full one, I feel. Obviously if you've been watching these for a while, you know that some of them don't have that many items in and some of them have more. This one was definitely a more box, I would say personally. It was quite a good one. Again, I'm not sure how I feel about Witch Casket though, so you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below, and also if you think I should keep getting Witch Casket. It is nothing against them, they are great, just more of like a bit of I'm kind of bored. So let me know what you think. I will put all of the information for Witch Casket down below in case you want to go and check them out, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.